Hey guys! Are you looking for the best mini-ITX computer case? This video is for you. Through extensive research and testing, we've put together a list that will meet the needs of different types of buyers and help you choose which one is best for you. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get starting at number 6. JONSBO U4 Computer Case. JONSBO team has been trying to provide users with a solid material and moderate price acts full aluminum shell case. Limited by the high cost of aluminum, we have not been able to achieve this desire. The rapid popularization and reducing price of SD bring us the opportunity for the development of U4 by reducing the amount of 3.5 HDD support and canceling the optical drive rack under condition that the compatibilities of high-end hardware are not affected. JONSBO team has created a middle-level full aluminum ATX case for users. U4 can support 170 M height CPU radiator, 310 M length high-end display card, and 120-240 EM cooler. In materials, U4 keeps the same level with the high-end case. 2M thickness aluminum plate is used for the shell, 1.0 MSGC steel plate is used for the structure, and 5M thickness full-tempered glass is used for transparent side plate. Good materials used and reasonable structure design makes U4 a slightly small, but with solid structure and reasonable expansibility full aluminum light effect. Showing case. U4 is launched at the end of 2016. The outer shell is made from 2.0 aluminum magnesium alloy. With JONSBO team's accumulated experience of wired rawing and node surface processing craft from many years, the design style goes on with the sense of simplicity, simple, streamlined, and strong metallic. By using outer aluminum and inner steel with innovative structural joining technology, it perfectly fuses the strong structure and good appearance of the product. U4 makes use of full-tempered glass for side plate and CNC machine to cut the edge accurately, so the gap between them can be controlled precisely, and the edges are smooth, which will not hurt our hands. Full-tempered glass side plate does not only provide wide-angle display for illuminated hardware, but also bring a better solution for isolating noise and reducing resonance than traditional case with metal side plate. Number 5. ZAW C2 Computer Case. Efficient accommodation. Compatible with MAT's motherboard and AX power supply installation solution, capable of accommodating more specifications of hardware and adapting to better installation solutions. Enhanced architecture and upgraded protection. Simple and versatile, desktop selection, enhanced architecture, and upgraded protection. Mini compact, magnesium tempered glass, Max motherboard, AX power supply, 323 long video card, 136 tower, 6 fans, large hard disk. Compact layout. Each space is meticulously designed and planned, with high compatibility and a compact layout, as well as efficient utilization. Stable body. The main box body is formed by stamping and bending 2 large pieces of aluminum plates, with a beautiful appearance, stable structure, high pressure resistance, and deformation resistance. Enhanced heat dissipation. The natural vertical air duct with downward inlet and upward outlet and large area heat dissipation holes, combined with multiple fans, greatly enhance heat dissipation efficiency. Compact figure. The front is about the size of a book, and the side is slightly deeper than a 4 paper. The overall volume of the machine is only 13.8 liters, which is preferred for desktop use. Number 4. SemiInOne Computer Case. This series is designed with the utmost freedom in mind, meticulously crafted by a group of DI enthusiasts through continuous practice. The core idea behind this series is to empower users by returning the reins of creativity and innovation to them. Users can create the product according to their own preferences and ideas, leading to a unique and enjoyable DI experience. Key features. Front I/O panel. Equipped with dual USB 3.0 ports for high-speed data transmission. Spacious storage. The large interior space accommodates up to 2 HCs simultaneously. M-ATX form factor. This series adheres to the M-ATX form factor, ensuring a compact yet versatile design. Cooling and graphics compatibility. The case supports a maximum CPU cooler height of 155 mm for efficient wind cooling. The graphic card can be up to 335 mm in length, and the power box must be shorter than 160 mm, when the graphic card's length exceeds 245 mm. In summary, this series is a tribute to the joy of die, allowing users to revel in their freedom and creativity, ultimately leading to a personalized and fulfilling computing experience. Number 3. ZZAW Veep 100 Computer Case. Top cooling mesh. Cooling holes are added on the top to effectively improve the heat dissipation of high-power graphics cards. Small volume, large capacity. Wide body 190 ms small chassis, supports max motherboard, can be placed on the desktop to enjoy quietly. Aluminum magnesium alloy shell. Made of aluminum magnesium alloy, the three-dimensional warehouse hardware is arranged around, showing a majestic external bearing. Exquisite design is amazing. Small chassis also has large capacity to support vertical micro-X mini motherboard. Double-sided transparent glass. 4M thick tempered glass, personalized hardware at a glance. Rich I/O interface. Complete set of peripheral interfaces, convenient for human-computer interaction, less steps, quick to use. Multiple hard drives, user-friendly installation. Support 3 2.5-inch SD solid-state drives, 2 3.5-inch HDD mechanical hard drives. Powerful heat dissipation, full firepower. Excellent heat dissipation. Hardware running at low temperature, 5 fan positions, 3-dimensional air duct water cooling air cooling heat dissipation mode. Number 2. JONSBO C2 Computer Case. Vertical ascent. No accumulation of heat. 4-position 120 m fan position, with bottom-up airflow that can quickly cover the heating hardware and exhaust heat from the top vent. Double bend panoramic glass. Radiant integration. U-shaped hyperboloid perspective glass fully displays the hardware in the main board compartment. An aluminum alloy shell surrounds the surface. Material texture. The metal texture is delicate and not rough. Elegant arc transition. Natural without broken lines. High-capacity hard drive. Storage anxiety-free. Supports 3.52 hard drive or 2.513.5 AD1 hard drive. Motherboard is compatible with ITX M-ATX. Support ITX M-ATX motherboard for host construction. Advanced graphics card. Games are not limited. Graphics card length limit 280 m. Strengthen heat dissipation by blowing cold air directly from the bottom fan. Limited power supply. Choose more samples. Power supply. AX 220 m. Bottom dustproof design. Equipped with dustproof filter at the bottom. Regularly cleaned to keep the cabinet clean and tidy. Front Type-C transmission interface. Pre-installed UC.2 Gen 2 Type-C. 10 Gbps. Interface to reduce transmission latency. Number 1. JONSBO ZZAW Computer Case. Conceptual vertical triangular prism appearance design. ZZAW adopts an unconventional vertical triangular prism structure to extend the internal space upwards three-dimensionally. Compared with the traditional chassis, the case occupies less footprint. His is a unique design that is different from the traditional conceptual design. Although there is a certain risk of being accepted by the mainstream market, the highly recognizable outline of ZZAW can also meet the visual needs of some users who want to have an artwork-like case. Round edge treatment. In order to reduce the sharpness of the transition between the triangular plane and the elevation, we bend the edges of the aluminum alloy plate of the ZZAW top cover and bottom cover into a large arc to soften the overall outline and easily integrate into the home environment. 4M thick double-tempered glass side panel, 29.3 light transmittance. The light transmittance coefficient of ZZAW's tempered glass panels are 29.3, which is generally called smoked glass. In the case of products, it is relatively dark glass, which can suppress overly bright light-emitting hardware to make it show elegant light effects. Practical. The hardware specifications under the special form of the chassis layout are usually limited by its special shape and compromise some hardware specifications. ZZAW makes full use of internal space, supports MINI-ITX basic specifications, while maintaining compatibility and practicality with other high-performance hardware. First chamber, MINI-ITX motherboard, and standard Piece 2 ATX chamber. ZZAW supports standard MINI-ITX motherboards and standard AX power supplies. The RGB light effect of the motherboard hardware can be seen through the tempered glass side panel. Third chamber, 360 liquid cooling radiator chamber. ZAW 102 supports the installation of 360 liquid cooling radiator to meet the heat dissipation requirements of high-power CPUs. The radiator can be adjusted up and down to a certain range to adapt to the length of the pipes. Hidden wire slot fast routing design in the corner. The vertical cable management grooves between each chamber can quickly manage the routing of cables from power supply and storage devices. The larger wire hole allows each wire from the power supply to pass through and connect to the corresponding hardware interface. After arranging the cables, close them up with tool-less detachable aluminum panels to keep the internal hardware tidy and cool.